Get ready.
How strong you are until being strong is the only choice you have. मैं फराया कस्टमर लाल चौक पे इंडिया की पहली गाड़ी पहला आदमी हूँ मैं वाह
hello everyone. So we are heading towards Panchgani and we are going for IBW 2025, and this is a big moment for every biker, I would say. It's 5:07 and we need to cover approximately 220 kilometers to reach there. So let's go. 5 a.m. in the morning, and we'll be meeting lots of buddy riders in between, and most of them will be heading towards Panchgani itself. And this is a very big moment, we can say, for a biker, that from all over the India every biker is coming, and I'm literally excited. I did a chain loop, and there were some minor issues which I was facing, and I got it fixed through service center. So let me know, guys, do you trust your service center? So let me know in the comment, because what happened, throttle response was kind of jerky, I would say. And so I watched one video and I thought it could be a throttle body problem, so I should get it cleaned manually. And I visited service center. I won't name one, I don't want to defame them, but it's just the trust issues I'm having with them now. We are like, whenever I visited there, so they used to like always entertain me with running repairs or anything, but at that time they had too much load on them. They were saying at from other service centers also, like, we are getting bikes. So they told me that you should book an appointment and come, and I did that. Like after 2 days I got one appointment, and I did that for throttle body cleaning, and my front brake wasn't working, and there were few more issues which I wanted to get it fixed. I booked an appointment. I went there when my appointment, I guess it was around 1 o'clock, something like that. And I thought at least they would give me my bike on the same day itself. And they kept my bike for, I guess, 5 days. They did nothing, and I had to call them again and again. So because of that, I feel, because of my urgency, they did not clean the throttle body. They just added the pro lube and handed over the bike to me, and they told that we have cleaned everything. Like in the morning I called them around 10 or 11 o'clock, and after like within an hour they gave me the bike. They earlier told me that it will take around whole day to clean that throttle body, because we have to open everything, right? They told me that thing, which I totally agree on. Don't feel that they have cleaned the throttle body, because after getting clean that throttle body, still I was getting the jerkier response. Thanks to ProLube, it literally recorrected over time. That is one of the, not an incident, but instance which happened. And let me know which KTM service center do you prefer in the comments. whenever like I went to like fix any problem to them, any different issues comes. So now I feel I should change the KTM service center, because I don't know, this is the new bike, maybe they haven't received a full training, and I literally don't want to give my bike for them to get it trained on. So let me know in the comments if you know any good service center in Mumbai, or like near Navi Mumbai as well. I will be happy to travel along to get it my bike fixed, man. So we are about to reach Nerul. It's 5:27 a.m. and we need to literally cover some distance. We just want to avoid the traffic. So let's see. So I don't think on Friday we should get a traffic. Oh, there are so many fellow riders. Everybody heading towards IBW. There were like bunch of super bikers passing by. I should have recorded that, man. I forgot. Anyhow, we'll meet. So I don't want to catch them because we are not here to race. So definitely they're gonna stop ahead for having breakfast. We'll meet there. Oh, wow. What are you doing, man? Versus. So you are not alone, everybody is with you. Meet so many riders all over India. So from Mumbai you can see so many people are heading towards IBW. Definitely everybody gonna reach within a 4 to 5 hours. Yes. So if any one of you traveling solo, don't feel you're alone on the road, because you have a company. There is a construction going on and this road is getting narrow and narrow. So on Sunday you used to see a bunch of riders standing over here waiting for their fellow buddies. Yo, we have got a company. When I started riding, so I never imagined to wear so many riding gears. I started riding in 2015, 14-15, and at that time I wasn't aware about I was aware, even I didn't had that much money to wear any like costlier riding gears. 6:20 a.m. we have refueled it, and it shows us we are going to get 400 kilometers of range. Let's see. So far bike is performing good. We are getting, it is showing 29. Let's see. We have refueled our bike and we have to refuel ourselves. It's looking like there is a lighting on the left side, and on the right side is nothing. The sun is rising up, you can see. Wow, the view is mesmerizing. Whoa, man, this is so beautiful. Oh, everywhere there is a thick fog, you can see. So it's too cold this side. I feel this is around 13 to 14 degrees. My hands are getting numb. Get some breakfast and let's go. We have already saw so many bikers going ahead. It's 8 a.m. and we have completed almost 120 kilometers, 100 kilometer more to go. It's like we have reached in Delhi. Look at this thick fog, man. Didn't even imagine like we'll get this thick fog. The visibility is around, I guess, 10 to 20 meters. Look at the dense fog. Whoa. It's 8:15 in the morning. Oh my god, it's too cold here. Feels like 12 to 13 degrees. Look at that dense fog, man. So we have completed almost 175 kilometers. It's 8:42 a.m. I feel it is still cold. So we'll be reaching Poladpur soon. Now we'll be taking left. So almost 40 kilometers, I guess 33 kilometers from here. And we'll be reaching Mahabaleshwar, and from Mahabaleshwar it is 15 kilometers. So we'll be checking in first in hotel and then we'll head towards Dubash airfield. So we are about to reach Mahabaleshwar. It's only 5 kilometers, and Panchgani is around 15 kilometers from there. So we have checked into hotel. Now we are moving towards IVW. Like lots of bikers. We saw even Dream Chaser. Look at that. So today you will see nothing but super bikes. Bald KTM. Look at these super bikes, man. Like monster. Whoa. Great, man. Look at this toy, man. Day 2 of IVW. It's the quality of Sari guard KTM has given. It's not even 1 year completed with this bike. What is the quality, man? Look at this. This is also coming off. Not even 1 year it can withstand.
Really? If that's the kind of yeah. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Come on, IBW, make some noise. Stage very, very soon. So, ladies and gentlemen, please let's welcome onto our stage Motorbike Tales.
Because nothing like this in the space of a moto vlogging space has ever been done. So do turn up and I hope to see you there.
I'm sure they will, and have a good one at the big trip.
Thank you so much, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen. Bye-bye.
2 मिनट वेट करते हैं। हर जगह लद्दाख मत जाना, वहाँ बाइक डूबते डूबते बची। तुम जब ब्लॉगिंग कर रहे हो, तुमने चूतिया काट दिया है मेरा।
सॉरी, बिना पूछे।
मुझे मोहब्बत नहीं है मेरी बाइक से। मुझे मोहब्बत सिर्फ इतनी है, गाना बढ़िया है। मुझे मोहब्बत सिर्फ इतनी है कि वो मुझे ले जाए, बस। मोहब्बत मैं अपनी फैमिली से करता हूँ, उसके अलावा तो बाकी तो चूल्हे में गया।
End of the event, IBW second day. Everybody is heading home, or maybe tomorrow is Sunday, so they'll wait. Heading back to home after a fruitful event. So we got a chance to meet Motorbike Tales, astronaut on the bike. We had like almost 40 to 45 minutes of discussion with Gautam. He's really a nice guy, man. Everyone is heading home. Home sweet home. No, no, no. No blind overtake.